Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the steps on how to mark a chat as unread on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's dive into the process together. To begin, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Chats tab where all your conversations are listed. Next, scroll through your chats and locate the one with unread messages that you want to mark as unread. Identify the chat by the sender's name. Now, long tap on the sender's username within the chat. This action will bring up additional options related to the chat. Lastly, look for and tap on the Mark as Unread option among the choices available. By selecting this option, you indicate that you want to mark the chat as unread for future reference. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Messenger conversations by marking them as unread to revisit them later. This feature helps you prioritize your chats and ensure you don't miss any important messages. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a chat as unread on Messenger. Stay tuned for more informative content to enhance your messaging experience.